Here's the 3 females from Benita's litter. And they're 8 weeks old. Past. Oh, wait a minute. No, they're just 8 weeks old.
Take it. Go. Go. Take the toy and go. Go. Ugh.
Can't see any puppies anymore.
Look. Want the ball? Yeah, you want the ball?
Chew. It's chew time. It's the time puppies chew. They chew everything at this age. They need lots of toys. I gotta back up a little so I can see them. Cuties.
Come here. You want this? You want the ball? Oh. Hi. Oh.
Yeah, they're really nice. This is a nice litter. And one of these is going home today. She's just coming to choose.
Ah.
Oh, they've got to have toys at this age.
That's my hand. Take the ball, please, not my hand. Not my foot.
Oh, I'm going to get that ball, she says.
I think they'd rather my hand.
Yeah, they'll chew on your fingers if you just don't redirect them at 8 weeks old. They're still teething really hard. There's my rubber boot. So they were just wormed yesterday again.
Come
for the
on,
last
puppies.
time.
Puppies,
For
come
the
on.
last
Oh,
time.
you want the ball? Yeah, you want the... Okay.
They've been to the vets. They had a
Take the
perfect
ball, not my
examination.
finger.
And no umbilical hernias, which is common in puppies. No narrow bites, which can happen, and they usually grow out of quite quickly. But there's nothing. They didn't even whimper when their needles were given or when their chip implants were implanted. They're just a really good litter. And they were a litter of 7. One boy. I think he might be going on Friday. And the girl will probably be going today. But there are still some available. I don't think you can get a better pup than from this litter. Come on.
Come on, puppy.
Come back.
Come on, puppy. Come on. What's this? What's happening?
We're taking a movie of these 3 girls.
I want to play with them.
Well, get in there and go play way over there so I can take a picture.
Come on, come on, come on. No, come on. All right. Emo.
They play with the kids. Oh, watch it. Get a toy in your hand. Get a toy in your hand so you can give them something. Ireland, get a toy in your hand.
Ow.
Throw her a toy because... Rambunctious. The power of 3. I'll tell you. Yeah, these are good
Where's the
pups.
frog? Where's Ireland's behind me?
It's behind Ireland there. That frog crinkles. They love that.
Hey.
They love things that make noise when they bite.
Take the phone.
And when a puppy nips you, you say a loud no, just like Mama would bark. And I always take their nuzzle and squeeze and redirect them to a toy. It's a stage they go through. So there's a little video. These 3 little girls.
They're not little.
There's nothing more elegant than a nicely groomed up black
It's not a
poodle.
little dog.
They're just gorgeous. But I have to go because I have to shave their faces. So,
Hey, no, I want
have a great weekend. Be careful in the freezing rain.
Oh.
Bye for now.